how to show and hide past user switching and menu bar on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Okay, you can see below. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Control Center. In Control Center, okay, in Other Module section, you can see here the past user switching. And below of this, you can see the Show and Menu Bar. And the Show and Menu Bar is set into Don't Show. To show the past user switching, okay, you'll have to do is click the arrow down and up to see the options. So you can set or show into full name, account name, or icon. So for my example, I show into account name. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully show past user switching in menu bar on MacBook Air. And to hide again, okay, you'll have to do is go to again to past user switching and show in menu bar. Okay, you can select in option the don't show. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully show and hide past user switching in menu bar on MacBook Air.